This is Njambiz Tutorials, where we learn digital marketing, branding, and business tips and tricks. Subscribe for videos every week. Today I want to show you how to create a YouTube video ad. Now I already showed you how to create a Google search ad in my previous video. I will link it on the top right corner right now, or you can check it out in my channel or the Google playlist on my channel. Now, before we get started, have you subscribed? Go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe for digital marketing tips, tricks, and tutorials on this channel every single week. Subscribe. And you can also support the creator through PayPal, a small donation of your choosing, to PayPal on this email. I'll also leave it in the description box below. Now let's get started. So to begin, you can do a quick search. You can do just YouTube ads search on Google and click on this, or you can go to youtube.com/ads. Here we are. You can click on creating an ad to read more about the YouTube ads and how to go about it. Or since I'm taking you through, you can just click on start now. Here we are. Before I click get started, remember I am logged into my Gmail account. I'm already logged into my Gmail account. So once I click get started, it takes me directly to my Google Ads account. If you haven't, you'll be prompted to sign in. And then we'll come to this next step. So I'll put in my YouTube video link for the ad I want to run. So at this point, you'll have created your video ad and upload it to YouTube. Now that's the link we are getting. And then the next step is, how do you want your ad to show on YouTube? Automatically played before, during, or after other YouTube videos, or placed as a thumbnail next to related videos. So I'll select the first option. Then after viewers, click your ad. Where do you want to send them? And you have the preview on the right, by the way, to show you how that will look like. So I'll put in the link for my channel. You can put in a website if you want to send them to your website. Then where do you want your ad to appear? Do you want it to appear on Google and partner sites, or just on YouTube? So I'll select YouTube and continue. Then select the location where I want my ads to show. You can put in more than one location. And as you put in, it's giving you an estimated performance of your ad on the right side. Then what languages do your customers speak? You can select that. And then we'll go ahead and click next. So select the gender, age, and parental status of your customers. This is where you narrow down your audience. If you have a specific audience you're trying to target, you can select or deselect any of them depending on who you want your ad to show to. And it's still giving you an estimated weekly performance depending on what you've selected on the right. So I'll click next. I won't touch that. Tell us if you want to reach people with specific interests. You can keep interest as broad as possible, or you can select specific interests. For example, if you want them working in banking and finance, or watching banking and finance related content, and so on. So I'll keep my interests as broad as possible. I won't select that for now, but of course you can do that. And go ahead and continue. Click. Then you're almost done. Set a budget. That's right for you. I'll go ahead and set a daily budget for my ad. What I am willing to spend per day on that ad. I'll set this at $2, and it's giving me my estimated performance again on the right, and go ahead and continue. You can review your campaign to make sure it's exactly how you want it. Everything seems to be on the up and up, so I'll click next and set up the campaign. There we go. So as you can see, it's pending. It's going to go through a quick policy check. They're going to review it and then approve it once done, and it will be running. Here I'll be able to edit anything about the campaign when I want, whether it's interests, demographics, ads, the ad itself, the location and languages, and the budget. You can be able to edit that once it's approved, or even the campaign name. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Thank you so much. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something new, give it a big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up. Like the video. Comment below if there's anything you want to watch on this channel. If there's anything you want me to cover on this channel, comment down below. If you have any questions, comment below. And Of course, like I said, subscribe. Yeah, subscribe, and you can also support the creator through PayPal, a small donation of your choosing, or any donation amount you want. Details below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.